talk a little bit. I think some people might not be familiar with like VLA Max.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
dive into a little bit more about that. Why is that important?
How do you define it and measure
Yeah,
it?
yeah. It's like it's basically the rate at which you're producing lactate, which has a really big impact on how you're going to perform. So if you're not going to be able to run really fast at 9 millimoles of lactate. It's just impossible. And so there's a lot of different things that will kind of show us. And fueling strategies, especially in longer distance races, if someone has a higher VLA max, then they're going to be just eating through carbs. And so we've got to make sure that they're refueling a lot. So with using the combination of VO2 max and VLA max, I'm also getting fueling strategies. Here's how many carbs per hour you need to make sure that you're taking in. Whether you're one of my guys trying to win an Olympic medal and we're out on a bike ride and they're just sitting at zone 2, like they can sit there for 4 hours, but some of them need to be taking over 100 grams of carbs per hour in order to just sit at an even zone 2.
Yeah.
And then other people that have a really low VLA max, they could get away with not eating anything because they're just purely fat oxidation, and they're in a decent spot. But with VLA max, like a lot of people look at lactate as a bad thing, and lactate is a huge fuel source. And it's like I like to think of it like the Fast and Furious movies, where like it's the NOS that you press the NOS button and it's like gives you that punch.
Right.
And the key to that though is like the faster you go, the more that you're using the gas tank, and you got to replenish the gas or you're just going to bonk.